Welcome, today in front of me SONY Xperia XZ2, and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then tap on the sound section. Here, as you can see, we got the ringtone notification volume panel. Just to mute your ringtone, swipe this blue dot with your finger to the left side. But in this case, you will mute not only your ringtone, but also your notifications. And if you want to stay with the notifications, but to mute your ringtone, I suggest you to do it by another way. You just should go here to the phone ringtone, tap there, and switch your currently ringtone to the known, and then tap to OK. And by this way, you can mute your ringtones, but you'll stay with the notifications. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.